Hi, in this video I will show you how to unlink your credit card with your Amazon account. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all, you have to open your browser and search for the Amazon and log into your account. Once you will log into your account, you have to click on your account option from the accounts, and you will see on the bottom and ordering and the shopping preference, and in the ordering and the shopping preference you have to select the your payments. And once you will select the your payments, you will see page like this. Now you have to select the wallet from here. Once you will click on the wallet, you will see all your link credit and the debits cards here like this. So what you have to do is you will see a arrow button on the right, and you have to select that arrow and you will see a remove or the edit option. Simply you have to click on the remove. Once you will click on the remove, you will see a pop-up like this, confirm remove from here. And once you will click on the confirm remove, your credit or the debit card will remove from your Amazon. So this is the procedure to remove your credit or debit card from your Amazon. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.